Welcome to Kemblay's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at another UTME physics question gotten from 2025 exam. A force 18 pulls a 40 kg mass on a horizontal floor at an acceleration of 0.3 meter per second square. Find the coefficient of friction. Now, if this is the horizontal floor and this is the object on the floor, and this object is being pulled by a force of 18, there's a frictional force that is opposing this motion. Let's call it Fr. And there's a reaction offered by the table or by the floor. Let's call it R, which is also equals to the weight of the object, W. Now, the resultant force here, this force is moving already with an acceleration of 0.3. Now, the resultant force in this motion, remember the formula for force. Force is equals to ma, mass and acceleration. But this F here, since this body is moving towards the direction, this body has overcome this frictional force, and both of them are acting at opposite to each other. Therefore, the resultant force here will now be the 18 minus Fr, which is the frictional force, is equals to ma. Now let us look for the value of this Fr. This Fr here, which is the frictional force, will now enable us to find the coefficient of friction. Now my 18 minus Fr is equals to the mass of the object, which is 40 kg, multiply the acceleration, which is 0.3. And 40 times 0.3 will give us 12. So I have 18 minus Fr is equals to 12. Now my Fr, which is frictional force, is now equals to 18 minus 12. So my frictional force is equal to 16, is equal to 6 Newton. 6 Newton. 6 Newton. Now, how do we get the coefficient of friction? We are going to apply this force. F is equals to mu R. So mu here is the coefficient of friction. Making it the structure of the formula, we now have that mu is equals to F over R. And this will give us the frictional force, which is 6 divided by R. R means mg. Is equals to mg. So my mu will now be equal to 6 over m is 40 times acceleration due to gravity, which is g, which is 10. It's a constant. So I now have 6 divided by 400. When you divide, you are going to get 0.015. It is dimensionless. It has no unit, because frictional force is Newton, reaction is Newton. When they cancel out, it becomes dimensionless. So the answer is B. So thank you for watching, and try to subscribe to my channel for more videos.